Hey there, and welcome to Project Playground, the channel where project management meets creativity and fun. Today, we're answering the big question: what is project management? Let's break it down with something everyone loves: a party. Project management is like planning the perfect party. You need to organize, manage, and make sure everything happens on time so the big day goes off without a hitch. Step 1. What's the goal of your party? Is it a birthday bash? A surprise celebration? That goal is your project's purpose. It sets the tone for everything. Every great project starts with a clear objective. Without it, you're just throwing random ideas into the mix. Next up, gather your resources. For a party, that means decorations, food, music, and of course, a guest list. In project terms, it's all about assembling the tools, people, and budget you need. With everything ready, it's time to execute. Set up the venue, check the sound system, and double-check the cake is ready to roll. In project management, this is where the plan becomes action, and all your prep work comes to life. And just like that, the party's a hit. The music's playing, the snacks are a hit, and your hard work has paid off. Success! So, there you have it. Project management is the ultimate tool for making any plan, big or small, a smashing success. Stay tuned for more creative analogies to simplify project management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your most epic party story in the comments below.